Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Tallulah, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving to a completely new place can be complicated. First, you have to adjust to a new environment and bid farewell to your family and friends, while summing up pre-moving formalities. So if you plan to move everything yourself, it'll become even more complicated. As you and your family members are not trained to have or even have any prior shift experience, you might end up damaging your properties or even harm yourself. Therefore, hiring professional movers are always the best option. Our certified moving firm, 3 Movers, has an extensive team of professional movers who have been providing packing and packaging services for more than 20 years. And being the oldest moving firm, our movers have expertise in handling long-distance international shifts. Most people tend to make a DIY shift, but they forget that they are inexperienced. Even if it's a local move, it requires similar experience to a long-distance move. So hiring professional movers like 3 Movers is vital. So get yourself moved within our same-day moving service for local moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tallulah moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.